Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11. In this video we are going to continue exercise 6.1 sum number 14 from your textbook. It's related to dictionary order or giving rank. So let's read sum number 14. If all the arrangements formed using all the letters of the following words are arranged in the order of dictionary, then what will be the rank of the word? So in this sum we need to find the rank of the word. So the first word is Pintu, second Noori, third Neeral, fourth Suman. So we'll solve this sum with the help of shortcut method and we'll find the rank according to the help of shortcut method. So let's solve it. So the first word is Pintu, which we have to arrange in a dictionary order and have to give rank. So we'll do this sum with the help of shortcut method, and this method is not as per your textbook. This is a shortcut method and very easy method which has 5 steps. So let's begin this sum. First word is Pintu. So the first step, if you remember, we have studied the first step is to give rank. So we'll give the rank to these alphabets. So I comes first, so we'll give rank 1. Then comes N, so we'll give rank 2. Then comes P, then it will be rank 3. Then comes T, then it will be rank 4, and last will be U, that will be rank 5. So we have given the rank in alphabetical order. So first step is over, we have given rank. Second step is to look for less than numbers. Now whatever the ranks we have given 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Now we have to look for less than numbers. Now 3 on the right hand side, if there is any less than number, if you see 3, if there are any less than number than 3, yes, there is less than number, that is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is the less than number. So there are 2 numbers which are less than 3. So here we will write 2 below 3. Below 3 we are writing 2 because there are 2 less than numbers. Then 1, if you see 1, there are any less than numbers on the right hand side of 1? No. It's 2 which is greater, 4 which is greater, 5 is also greater. So there is no less than number. So we'll write 0. Now looking to 2, if there is any less than number than 2 on its right hand side, so write that number. Are there any less than numbers? So no. 4, looking to the right hand side, there is no less than number, again 0. 5, there is no rank, so it will be 0. So second step is over, looking for less than number. Now you have to write the numbers from right hand side. This is the third step. So write the numbers from right. This is your right hand side. So we'll write the numbers from right hand side starting with 0 factorial. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, then comes 2 factorial, then comes 3 factorial, and then it is 4 factorial. Fourth step is multiply it. So you have to multiply these numbers. That means 0 into 0 factorial, 0 into 1 factorial, 0 into 2 factorial, 0 into 3 factorial, and 2 into 4 factorial. You have to multiply it. But if you multiply 0 into 0 factorial will be 0, 0 into 1 factorial will be 1, 0 into 2 factorial will be 0, 0 into 3 factorial will be 0. Now 2 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial's value is 24. That will be multiplied by 2, that becomes 48. Now we'll add this 48 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that will be 48. And the last step is add 1 to it. Whatever the answer is, we have to add 1 to it. So 48 plus 1, that is 49. So the rank of the word Pintu in dictionary is 49. So this is how we arranged the word Pintu as per the dictionary order. Let's solve the word Noori. So the second word is Noori. So first we'll give the ranks, alphabetical ranks. So the first will be I. So we'll write here 1. Second rank will be of N. So we'll write here 2. Then third comes R. So we'll write here 3. And the fourth rank is of U in alphabetical order. So now first step is done. We have given the ranks. Now second step is look for the less than numbers. So the first number is 2, and on the right hand side of 2 we have to look for the less than numbers. There is one number which is less than 2, that is 1. 1 is less than 2, so only one number is on the right hand side of 2 which is less than that. So we'll write here 1. Then to the next number is 4, and on the right hand side of 4 there are two numbers which are less than 4. 3 and 1 are less than 4, so these are two numbers, so we'll write here 2. Then on the right hand side of 3, the one number is less than 3, then we'll write here 1, and to the right hand side of 1 there is no number, so we'll write here 0. So this way we have done the second step, which is looking for the less than number. Third step is to write the numbers from the right hand side. So we'll write here 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial and 3 factorial. Fourth step is multiplying it. So we'll multiply all this. 0 into 0 factorial is 0, 1 into 1 factorial is 1, 2 into 2 factorial is 4, and 1 into 3 factorial is 6. So we'll add this. 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 becomes 11. So whatever the answer is, we have to add 1 to it. This is fifth step and the last step. Add 1 to it, that will become 12. So the rank of Noori as per dictionary order is 12. Let's solve the next word, that is Neeral. Now the next word is Neeral. So we'll do as the 5 steps are there. So first we are going to give the ranks. So alphabetical rank, A will be on first number, then I will be on second rank, then L will be on third rank, N will be on fourth rank, and R will be on fifth rank. So we have given the rank. Second step, to look for the less than numbers. So starting with 4, there are on the right hand side of 4 there are 3 numbers less than 4. So below 4 we are going to write 3. Then comes 2. So on the right hand side of 2 there is only one number which is less than 2. So we'll write 1 below 2. On the right hand side of 5 there are 2 numbers which are less than 5. So below 5 I'll write here 2. And then comes 1. So on the right hand side of 1 there is no less than number, so I'll write here 0. And then comes 3. There are no numbers on the right hand side of 3, so again I'll write here 0. So second step to look for the less than number is over. Third step, to write the numbers from the right hand side. So here I'll write the numbers from the right hand side, starting with 0 factorial, then 1 factorial, then 2 factorial, then 3 factorial, and then comes 4 factorial. Now we are going to multiply it as it is the fourth step. So we will multiply this. 0 into 0 factorial will be 0, 0 into 1 factorial will be 0, 2 into 2 factorial will be 4, 1 into 3 factorial will be 6, 3 into 4 factorial, the value of 4 factorial is 24, and it will be multiplied by 3, so it will become 72. Now we'll add this. 72 plus 6 plus 4 plus 0. This will become 82. And now the last step is to add 1 to this answer. So 82 plus 1 is 83. So the rank of Neeral is 83 as per the dictionary order. Now the fourth word is Suman, which will be your homework. You have to solve yourself. So here we are done with the dictionary order sum. Go through it, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.